In this video, I'm going to show you how to take a quiz with Microsoft Copilot by just specifying a topic. It is going to give you a quiz that you can easily take and you'll be able to see your performance very easily. It's an inbuilt application or feature within Copilot. So let's say I'm on my Microsoft Edge and I can see Copilot at the top here. Once you click, you have the sidebar where you can chat directly. And to access the quiz feature, you can come to this plus sign. You can say take a quiz. So take a quiz me on maybe let's say public speaking. So we can go ahead and hit on enter to this, and this is now going to give you quizzes that you can create. Let's test your knowledge and creativity with a short quiz on public speaking engagement ideas. So you can now see public speaking engagement quiz question one. Which of the following is the most effective way to grab attention at the start of a speech? So you can see this is the first option, second option, third option. So you can see very detailed question two, when engaging an audience, which is the technique that you can best for keeping them involved. Okay, speaking without pauses, asking theoretical questions, using complex jargon, and so on. So these are very direct questions that you can use to develop more your quizzes with. If you want more, you can always ask for more, and you can quick copy this and share with your people during any of your presentation or seminar, and you can use it to promote engagement and get people to participate in the quiz as well. So it's a one way to just get quiz ideas and you can specify any topic of your choice. If you found this helpful, please leave a like.